Okay, time to install the camshaft. So as I'm doing this, I've got kind of a fancy handle here made from a jaw puller. I just borrowed some bolts from the kit. As I'm going through this, I'm going to be oiling or lubricating using the Melling assembly lube. And I'm going to go through each of these as I'm guiding the camshaft through all of the bearings. So first thing I'm going to do is just get it started on the bottom here and then put it all around. Make sure the entire surface is covered. There we go. All right, and then I'm going to slide it in. And try to maintain it going straight all the way back through the cam. All right, now the next one. And then send that one all the way through. There we go. Very nice. Even I can do this. All right, and then set that one there. And jog it through as you go. There it goes. Come back a little bit. There it goes. All right. You got to spin the camshaft a little bit as the lobes are going through. And lift. There it goes. It's in. Done. Okay, I'm looking for 0 degrees top dead center. I think I got it. Let me show you. I've gone a little bit past top dead center here. I'm going to bring it all around again. Let's see if I can stop moving my arm. And bring it all the way around. Okay, piston's coming up. And it should go no further than 0 when it's coming up. There it is. The dot is in the center. Okay, good. It's where it should be. Okay, I've got top dead center, center of the piston. And my dots are up and down. Good. I've got the cam at where it's supposed to be, top dead center. Okay, so we're putting the sprocket bolts in. These require thread locker. I'm using Loctite 263. It's a higher temp product. This is red 263. So I apply that, put it in. You got to make sure the surfaces are clean before you put the thread locker on. The thread locker will not work if you have an oily or greasy surface. So that's got to be clean, both on the cam and on the bolts. I did use Berryman's carburetor cleaner on both surfaces to make sure that that would not be a mess. Okay, now torquing it up to 20 foot-pounds. I'm gonna not go all the way, snug it down first, and then tighten it up. Whoop. Oh man. Thank goodness for easy outs and socks. Socks help keep the bad things away. That wasn't too bad. All right, let's try that again. I got some new bolts. Gonna go through the same process with putting on the Loctite. I left two of the other bolts, the old bolts, back in there just to keep the socket in place. So I've now got the Loctite on. I'm going to take those two bolts off, but I'm going to tighten this one up first. And we're going with 20 foot-pounds. All right, 20 foot-pounds. I'm not going to do it all at once. I'm going to take the other two off now that I've got another one on here. Just snug them up. Okay, now I'm going to go back to the 20 foot-pounds. There's 20. There's 20. All right, good. Torque check. 20. 20. 20. Done. I also want to make a comment to when I installed the cam. I only put the lube on the main bearings. I really should have put it on all of the lobes as well. So I've got some workarounds what I'm doing in later videos to show you how I'm doing that. So I did recognize I missed that step, and I'm making up for it. So hope everybody has a great 4th of July, or had a great 4th of July. Ella wants to say happy 4th of July as well. She's thrilled to be out in the shop. Yes.